Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 18th March 2024. In this video, let us generate bullish and bearish trade setups for monthly income trade and a weekly income trade. So at the end of the video, I'm also generating stop buffers for all the income trades. Even before that, a small announcement, please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training lessons I kept in a playlist, supply demand zone price action course at our NeoStock YouTube channel. Even I have provided the link to this playlist in this YouTube video description. You click on the link, you will get into this page and then scroll down to bottom of this page until lesson 1.1. Here starting from lesson 1.1, all the training videos are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. Even I have provided the link to our NeoStock Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in the Telegram channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new video, we will provide an update in that channel. Now let's get into report generation with the help of NeoStock Software's supply demand zone top-down analysis strategy builder. And first we will generate bullish trade setup for monthly income trade. For monthly income trade, your LTF time frame, that is entry time frame, is daily, and entry zone should be demand zone. In bullish or bearish trade setup and daily time frame, I am selecting the value bullish. I am selecting a few parameters. First one is I don't want pierced zones. So there is a parameter called pierced count. For this pierced count and daily time frame, I am setting the value 0 and 0, minimum 0, maximum 0. That means the pierced count is 0. Pierced count 0 indicates the zone is not pierced. Apart from that, we will also make sure, because zones having zone achievement violated opposing zone are tradable. Why they are tradable, I will explain in our next training lesson 20. In our training lesson 20, I will explain the upcoming lessons. And we should have a minimum odd enhancer score for a bullish trade setup 12. And let us generate based on these based on these settings. So this is the list currently supporting bullish trade setup. So 20 stocks are filtered. All these are all having all the demand zone are having odd enhancers. Here your OE indicates odd enhancer score. The odd enhancer score should be more than or equals to 12. So here 14, 15. So it will be helpful to you. And what is the second parameter we set? All the zone achievements. ZA, where is ZA? Here. The zone achievement. ZA indicates zone achievement. All the demand zone are having a violated opposing zone. Demand zones. Supply zones may not be having zone achievement, or maybe other achievement VOP, or maybe VOZ also might be there. But demand zones are having only VOZ, violated opposing zones. Because the lesson 20 is our last training lesson in our second phase of the training program. So in that you will get clarity what kind of values compulsory for taking the trades. Now you keep an eye on your reward and keep an eye on risk. Based on that you can take a decision, but remember the risk is week to week I calculated. But while taking trades, even you may take type 2 entry, or even type 3 also you can take. They are allowed. So these are all the bullish trade setup stocks. Now let's go back. Let us look for bearish trade setup and daily time frame. Entry time frame is daily. This is bearish trade setup for monthly income trade. Entry zone should be supply zone. And in bullish or bearish trade setup, in daily time frame, I am setting the value bearish. Don't want PRs or zones, so setting the PRs count in daily time frame as 0. So the other two important parameters, zone achievement should be there, that is VOZ, violated opposing zone, and our minimum odd enhancer score should be 12. Now let us generate. Now stocks are available. Currently they are supporting bearish trade setup based on these parameters. If I remove these conditions, let us check anything is there. You got one stock, Bandhan Bank. Why this is not filtered? Because it is having odd enhancer score as 11 instead of minimum instead of 12. 11 is there. That's why earlier it was filtered. Sometimes you may accept even if it is 11, but you should know the reasons why the value is reduced. Without knowing those reasons, you cannot. The reason is it is not at having any zone achievement. That is the reason. Check if this zone gets any zone achievements in the coming days before prices are entering into this zone. So let's go back. Now we will generate bullish and bearish trade setup for a weekly income trade. So entry time frame is weekly and entry zone is demand zone, and bullish trade setup in bullish or bearish trade setup, entry time frame, entry time frame should be 75 minutes. Weekly income trade, weekly is a higher time frame, daily is intermediate time frame, 75 minutes is a lower time frame. So selecting 75. Bullish or bearish trade setup in 75 minutes time frame, I am selecting the value bullish. We don't want PRs or zones. Let me set PRs to count as 0 for 75 minutes. Minimum 0, maximum 0. That is for pierced count. Indicates the zone is not pierced. And here let us set the filters. We want zone achievement should be violated, opposing zone achievement should be there, and odd enhancer score should be minimum 12 should be there. So currently 4 stocks are filtered. Now we can focus on these 4 stocks. So let me go back. Let us generate a bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. So for weekly income trade, entry time frame, that is LTF time frame, is 75 minutes. Entry zone should be supply zone. And in bullish or bearish trade setup parameter, at 75 minutes, I am selecting bearish. And we don't want peers or zones for trading. So I am setting peers to count on 75 minutes as 0. Minimum 0 and maximum 0. And zone achievement should be violated, opposing zone, and minimum odd enhancer score should be 12. We have only one stock idea. So this is about bullish and bearish trade setups. Now we will generate stop buffers for all the stocks and indices. So the ATR based on stop buffers are based on ATR. So all these are all ATR values, indicates the stop buffers. This is the 15% ATR is stop buffer for monthly income trade, 10% ATR is for weekly income trade, 5% ATR is for daily income trade, 3% ATR. Some people also can use 2% ATR, that you can have to calculate manually, because already you have ATR is available, daily ATR. So 3% ATR is for hourly income trade. So let me scroll down. I will be giving you a few seconds and then I keep on scrolling. In case if you want to refer any of these list, please pause the video. After that you can proceed further. So this is about bullish and bearish trade setup and stop buffers. Hope this information is useful to you for your further study and analysis. So let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.